Okay, check.
Alrighty.
Okay. And door secure. That's it. Maybe not such a good idea.
There.
Take it off the...
Works out.
Yep. No restriction of movement.
All right.
Okay. And everything's look good. The clutch lights out. RPM 60 to 70. And I'll go ahead and get the avionics on. So I can get the ATIS.
Departure information Charlie 20560. Wind 360 at 5. Visibility 10. Sky clear below 12,000. Temperature 14. Dew point -2. Altimeter 2998. Remarks. AO2 sea level pressure 15356020. Sound visual runway 34 approach in use. Landing and departing runway 34. Notices to airmen. Taxiway Charlie run up pad closed. Bird activity in the vicinity of Westchester Airport. Read back all runway hold short instructions. Advise on initial contact. You have information Charlie. Westchester County Airport arrival / departure information Charlie 20560. Wind 360 at 5. Visibility 10. Sky clear below 12,000. Temperature 14. Dew point -2. Altimeter 2998. Remarks. AO2 sea level pressure 15356020. Sound visual runway 34 approach in use. Landing and departing runway 34.
Okay.
To airmen.
Operation Charlie.
Holy crap.
And we're on with ground. All lights out except for governor off. Everything's in the green, including cylinder head temp. And RPM up to 75. And there's 75. And 2 clicks. 1 1000, 2 1000, back to both. Didn't drop below 70. And 1 click, 1 1000, 2 1000, back to both. Looks good. And now sprag clutch check. Sprag clutch check in 3, 2, 1. There's the needle split. Pretty good today.
Yeah.
And RPM is 70. Doors closed and latched. Let's see. B&E is going to be 130. Outside temperature is 18 degrees. About 23, but say 22 and a half. Be the absolute max continuous power.
At Bravo off of 34, go to landmark.
And what's our other number?
And the VNE is 130.
For manifold pressure?
That's the landmark via Alpha. You have a good day.
Oh, plus
Same
2.8 for
landmark,
max performance for under 5 minutes, below 100 knots.
Uh-huh.
So, like 23 plus 2.8 is 25.8, but
all right,
probably closer to 25.5 would be the max ever. Probably not a good idea to be bumping up right against that max limit.
Yeah, you don't want to keep it right at the threshold for too long.
At that point, plus, right, Yeah, okay. And we have the VNE maps on board. Friction's coming off. And frictions are off. And hydraulics, I'll check. Controls are free, hydraulics off. A little bit of play. There we go. Hydraulics back on. And there we go. And RPM 70%. Governor on. Up to 80% should take over. Watch lights out. Governor looks good. And RPM is 101, 102%. Friction's off. Raise up 1 inch. And RPM 97%. Horn comes on. Collective back down. RPM's back in the green. And all warning lights out.
Evening ground, LJ 259.
Everything's in the green. We've got fuel sufficient for the flight. We're on with ground. Transponder to alt.
Alpha signature. Good day, LJ 259.
And looks good. Do you want me to have the landing light on in the pattern?
I don't really need it.
Okay.
It's still light enough out. Alright. I got controls.
You have controls?
I got it. Warning lights are out, RPM's green, T's and P's fuel. Switch transponder clear all around.
Clear on my side, tails clear, skids clear.
Bonanza 1563 Echo, that Foxtrot going to Landmark.
Bonanza 1563 Echo, Westchester ground, taxi Landmark, West via Foxtrot Kilo, crossing way 29.
Clear right.
Clear right.
Echo.
Forgot to turn the noise cancellation on. Much better.
Alright. You got controls. Let's just do a quick pickup and a set down here.
Okay, yeah, we're clear all around. Everything looks good.
Ground 331 Mike Charlie at Jet Systems, taxi to Hangar Foxtrot.
Give me your call sign, please.
That's November 331 Mike Charlie.
And I'm sorry, where did you need to go? 331 Mike Charlie to Landmark?
331 Mike Charlie, we're at Jet Systems, taxi to Hangar Foxtrot.
Hangar Foxtrot,
all right,
okay.
we'll
November 331 Mike Charlie, taxi via Kilo, hold short of Lima.
Kilo, hold short of 11331 Mike Charlie.
A little bit of a slow planning almost.
Yeah.
With extra weight. I think I'm going to take my knee board off just so it doesn't restrict.
I got controls.
You have controls?
I've got it.
Oh, I have full left cyclic information, Charlie.
Alright. You got controls?
I have controls?
You got it. I'm going to take this off just until we go.
Okay.
And I think that, I don't know, someone just called up coming over to this hangar. They said they were at Jet Systems, so.
He's turning.
Some other plane's going to be coming over here. So on the pickup, just remember it's going to come way back on you, so just keep that forward cyclic in. And it's also going to be hanging more to the right. So instead of picking up and setting down kind of on that left skid like it has been, since I'm not in here, it's going to be much more flat in terms of left-right.
Okay.
So it's mostly just going to come nose up and then straight up.
Okay.
So which pattern are you going to be using here?
They're still using 3, well,
Ground 3-119.
now the wind kind of looks good for 1-1, but they're still using 3-4, so I think they're going to want me on 2-9er.
West just around, taxi Charlie Kilo crossing way.
You can still request 1-1.
Charlie Kilo crossing way.
So, do that.
Okay, and the 1-1 pattern is same we did in the Schweitzer?
It is, yeah.
Just come out over the, okay.
Yep. Just following that ditch, basically up the downwind leg.
Okay. And for the departure, just fly straight out, join up at the like right crosswind.
Exactly.
Okay. I'll keep an eye on the windsock. Just follow the winds.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alrighty.
And you said 30 minutes?
Yep, so like at 42 or so.
Okay.
Ground November 335,
I'll come back and I'll
Mike Romeo,
sit down in any place like right here.
Yeah, there might be a plane sitting out here. I don't know how long they're going to be here.
335, Mike
All the way down there, then maybe past the belt.
34 taxi via Alpha crossing way.
Yeah, whatever looks
34 via Alpha cross
whatever
29er,
looks
5 Mike Romeo.
good to you. If there's a plane sitting there, I mean they'll probably be pretty far over. You should have plenty of room right here still.
Okay.
But just find the spot that looks comfortable.
Okay.
All right. Just remember, nice slow 2-step pickup since you're gonna have to feel out the new CG.
Okay.
And I'm gonna just take this out.
Falcon 1, Mike Charlie, crossing way 34 at Kilo, behind the leer, left to right, hold short of the approaching of runway 29.
Alright, 33 Mike Charlie, cleared to cross 34. I'll give way to the leer and approach.
Alrighty.
Hold short 1-1 at the end.
Have a good one.
Thank you.
Westchester Ground, good evening. Executive 937 at NetJets, taxi Charlie.
Executive 937 Westchester Ground, runway 34 taxi via Alpha crossing way 29 to display.
34 via Alpha and cross 29er, executive 937. Have a good evening.
Falcon 1, Mike Charlie, cross the approaching of runway 29er into Hangar Fox. Have a good day.
Alright, cross 29er, Foxtrot 331 Mike Charlie.
Westchester Ground, Helicopter 175 Romeo Victor by the Foxtrot hangars, Lake 2 and area, right traffic, runway 11 west taxiway Lima with Charlie.
Helicopter 175 Romeo Victor, Westchester Ground, that Falcon just crossing the approaching of 29 is going to Hangar 5. So if you could just take it down Juliet a little bit, you can contact Tower 167.
Roger, we'll taxi out behind the Falcon and contact Tower 5 Romeo Victor, thank you.
Ground 710 Delta Lima, landmark, ready to taxi.
November 710 Delta Lima, Westchester Ground, runway 34 taxi Alpha crossing way 29.
Taxi to 34, cross 29 via Alpha, 710 Delta. Just confirm 710 Delta Lima is cleared to cross 29.
November 710 Delta Lima, affirmative, crossing way 29 on Alpha.
Thank you.
And ground, helicopter 5 Romeo Victor, we're going to return to the ramp area.
Okay, is everything okay?
That's affirmative, we just have a warning light here.
All right, no problem. Let me know when you want to come back out.
Thank you. Up there. The carbon monoxide light. Carbon monoxide light came on.
Yeah, it's been doing that occasionally.
Yeah, the heater's down. Don't see any, obviously don't smell it, but...
Yeah, the wind can like draw the, oops. The wind can draw the exhaust up into the impeller. But once you get some airspeed...
there it is.
Yeah, once you point into the wind, that's where it kind of goes through. Once you, if it comes on, once you take off, it should go off right away. You know how to use this vent?
Yeah, twist and pull.
Yeah, so it comes on just after takeoff. You can just open that vent up too, and that'll keep it off.
Yeah, if it comes on again and it doesn't go off in a minute or two,
Ground 373 Golf is off and Charlie going to jet system.
Keep this open for now.
November 73 Golf, West System ground taxi, Charlie Kilo, cross runway 29er.
Charlie Kilo cross 29er 373 Golf.
All right. Try number 2.
Okay, yeah, it's, definitely with the set downs especially.
Yeah, they're
like comes down.
Yeah.
But I guess
pickups are looking good though.
Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm kind of coming down on the back of the skids. Would it be better for me to have a little forward movement maybe?
If you want, how you're coming down is just fine though, because you are going to hit the back of the skids.
Okay.
So you just kind of have to balance it there like an uphill slope basically, and then.
Okay.
Or I guess it'd be more of a downhill slope.
Okay.
Yeah. But just how you're doing, it's good.
Okay.
Alrighty. Have fun.
Thank you.
Westchester ground, maintenance truck 109 at Jet Systems to Charlie pad.
Maintenance Westchester ground, proceed as requested.
Proceeding to Charlie pad via North Road 109.
And ground helicopter 5 Romeo Victor back with you. We got everything sorted out. I'd like to do that right traffic for runway 11 with Charlie.
Helicopter, okay, you said you want right traffic for 11, correct?
Affirmative.
Okay, so you can taxi out to Juliet once established contact tower.
Juliet over tower, thanks. 5 Romeo Victor. Westchester Tower, helicopter 175 Romeo Victor with you, taxiway Juliet, like to enter right traffic, runway 11, west of Lima with Charlie.
Helicopter 175 Romeo Victor from taxiway Juliet, you're clear for takeoff, cross both runways, right close traffic to runway 11, west of Lima at all times. You are cleared for touch and go. You'll call me on the base leg, each circuit, continuous operation.
Cleared for takeoff, taxi Juliet across both runways, right traffic, runway 11, west of Lima, and I'll call you on the base each time, 5 Romeo Victor. Tower, helicopter 5 Romeo Victor, turning right base 11. And Tower, helicopter 5 Romeo Victor, right base, turning final 11.
5 Romeo Victor, runway 11, west of Lima, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, 5 Romeo Victor, west of Lima.
And Tower, helicopter 20 Charlie on Echo for the whiskey departure.
Helicopter 2020 Charlie, Westchester Tower from taxiway Echo. Cross runway 34, remain north of runway 11. You'll see helicopter traffic on the short final for runway 11. Once you're out over the water, you continue back westbound. Taxiway Echo, clear for takeoff.
Charlie, we're on the go, crossing 34, stay north of 11. We do have the helicopter in sight.
Roger.
Westchester Ground, carrier 1021, ready to go short of 34.
Alright, carrier 1021 Westchester Tower, wind is variable at 4, runway 34, we'll clear for takeoff.
Alright, clear for takeoff, 34, carrier 1021.
Tower Helicopter 5 Romeo Victor, right base 11 west of Lima.
5 Romeo Victor, thank you, runway 11 west of Lima, clear touch and go.
Cleared touch and go, 11 west of Lima, thanks.
Tower, carrier 1021, can we go over to departure?
Yes, I'm sorry, carrier 1021, yes please. Traffic 1 mile north of the bridge, inbound Cessna 2600 feet VFR. Contact New York now on 20.8.
Alright, over to New York now, carrier 1021, looking for the traffic, thanks.
Westchester Tower, Sky 5215 Juliet with you, 45, left 45 for 34.
Did you say that again?
5215 Juliet's with you, left 45 for runway 34.
This is 5215 Juliet, Westchester, thank you. Left traffic for runway 34. Stay above 1500. There's helicopter traffic. He's in right closed traffic for runway 11, remaining west of 34 at all times. So just stay at 1500 so you pick him up, okay?
Looking for the traffic and remain at 1,500 or slightly above.
And Tower Helicopter 5 Romeo Victor, we're right base, turn and final 11 west of Lima.
Romeo Victor, roger, 11 west of Lima, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, west of Lima 5 Romeo Victor.
Just the tower, good evening, Applecatch 2438, holding short Lima side, 34, ready to go.
Applecatch 2438, Westchester Tower, hello again. The right turn to the east approved, wind variable at 4, runway 34, clear for takeoff.
Runway 34, clear for takeoff, Applecatch 2438.
Cessna 5215 Juliet, out of curiosity, did New York call you the wrong call sign the whole time they talked to you?
I don't know if he was doing the whole call sign or just the last three. This is November 5215 Juliet.
Yeah, he has you tagged up wrong.
Tower, jet speed 585, runway 34 ready.
Jet speed 585, Tower, roger, hold short.
Short, speed 585.
Tower, struck 5318, visual 34.
And struck 5318, Tower, thank you. Continue.
Okay.
Jet speed 585, next arrival RJ10 to fly 34, line up and wait.
Line up and wait on runway 34, jet speed 585.
Jet speed 585, the Cirrus went out to the right. You fly the SID for me, please. The wind is variable 3, runway 34, clear for takeoff.
You will fly the Westchester 4 SID, cleared for takeoff, jet speed 585.
Stock 5318, runway 34, wind is variable 4, clear to land.
Good lane, runway 34, stock 5318.
Cessna 5215 Juliet, number 2, follow the regional jet on the 4-mile final.
15 Juliet, number 2, looking for the traffic, 15 Juliet.
Hopscotch 2438, squawk 1200 for me, please.
Sorry about that.